Hi, I'm UNL climatologist Ken Dewey, and it's time again for another Now You Know Nebraska. On January 12, 1888, a blizzard with the force of a hurricane surprised and blinded Nebraskans. What began as a mild 30-degree school day for thousands of Nebraska children turned into a 35 below zero life-threatening whiteout. Teachers throughout the state had to find ways to either safely guide their children home or turn their schoolhouse into a livable home for days. The most heroic story was of a 19-year-old Minnie Freeman who taught in a sod schoolhouse south of Ord, Nebraska. The wind from the storm blew the door and the roof off the schoolhouse. Minnie saved the 13 children's lives by joining them together with a rope and leading them blind through the blizzard to a farmhouse 1 mile away. The drifts from that blizzard were so large that people in the area were still able to use ice from the storm for ice cubes 7 months later on the 4th of July. Thanks for joining me today on Now You Know Nebraska.